This is Golibe Festival of Onitsha 2023. We came here and we saw this amazing masquerade called Wonder, and indeed this masquerade is wonderful. This masquerade is incredible. Like, words cannot explain what this masquerade does. What this masquerade does is almost impossible. Look at, that's the masquerade in that box now. They're going to open it, the masquerade will come out. And it will not just come out being so small. It will come out and it will keep on stretching and be stretching till it gets very tall, taller than every other person standing here. You can imagine, you'll be asking yourself, how does this happen? How do this masquerade do these things? This is black magic. Should I call it black magic? I don't even know what to call it. It's just incredible. I've not been able to fathom like how this is possible, how this is done. They are performing some rituals now, after which they will open the box and the masquerade will just rise. Just watch now. You can see. The masquerade has come out now. You can see. This box was closed before now, and now the masquerade has come out. You can see the height now. It will keep on stretching until it gets far taller than every other person here. At the time, it will keep on coming down until it gets so small. They have closed the box again now to show you that what they are doing is really an incredible something. They have opened it again. See the masquerade again. Guys, just calm down and watch this thing. Watch this masquerade and tell me, have you seen such thing before? Do you know how this thing is being done? Just tell us in the comment section.
Security. Again, big up Tata Golibe Festival 2023. I've been even more can in a Tata, I had a kilo model. Tala was a kilo more. The agenda only because one of the day. One of the car, our visitor Masquerade performance here at the Tata. Hey, Agbor Delta. You could probably know, can you kill him more? to come and disperse these people because I tell them the crowd ever. And then I use the people, the manager field, Bicolo, the manager run, Bicolo, turn a blue gano. Make you go. All the one that they found. Okay, can you play? Hey! Applause! Tavano Lozo! Tuano Lozo, Lekunia, Mua Kunia, again, hey! Okay, I'm not gonna mobile. Nikili, the Mutana Mata. Governor Abraham, we no more than Nikili, in a forbidden ever. I want to be better about I want my name to be ready on it. No, we welcome you to the channel to Bolivia 2023. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Please, you are needed on the stage. so much. Because, thank you. Tanonoso. Hallelujah. Thank you so much. We have another Masquerade to perform today. Thank you. Hallelujah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. What another? Very brilliant.